Ito ang nangyari sa NBA ngayong araw. Wembanyama at Durant nag-clash na naman. Wemby, pinakita na siya nga ay alien by dominating the Phoenix Suns on both ends of the court. First half pa nga lang, naka 20 points and 5 rebounds na agad si Wemby. Shooting an efficient 8 out of 14. Walang nagawa ang 28.6 rebounds ni KD. At natalo na nga ang Suns ng Spurs 121-132. Wemby nag-drop ng double-double, 38 points and 10 rebounds. Tied for the third most points scored by a rookie in franchise history. So defensive end naman, may 2 blocks at 1 steal siya. 2-0 na rin si Wemby against his idol KD. Reigning MVP Joel Embiid, pinaalala sa lahat bakit siya nanalo. 28 points, 13 rebounds, 7 assists ngayong araw. 3 players from Philly umiscore ng 20 plus points. Sixers win 114-99 against the Raptors. 3-1 so far this season. No Harden needed. Kabayan Jordan Clarkson nag-alley-oop sa sarili. Natapos ang laro with 21 points, 6 assists and 6 rebounds. Kessler naka 5 blocks din. Jazz kinulang nga lang, natalo 113-115 against the Magic led by Banchero's 30-point game. Harden dumating na sa LA. Former MVP at mga bagong teammates excited sa possibilities. Third team na rin nila ni Westbrook as teammates. Ito na ba ang kanilang magiging championship team? Cade Cunningham nag-double-double, 22 points, 11 assists pero kinulang. Natalo ang Pistons 116-125 against the Pelicans headed by McCollum's 33 points. Follow Beyond Highlights for NBA updates. Araw-araw.